We got the goods. We're gonna do a little haul for you guys of everything we got. We kind of went crazy. First thing we got is this olive rosemary focaccia bread. Next thing, whoa, this looks insane. We gotta raise the brightness on this for you guys. Okay, there we go. Bomb. So I kind of forgot what this was. Oh, this is what I wanted to try the most. The Haiji bun. Oh my gosh.
It's warm too.
It smells like garlic. It smells insane.
Big boy. Pull it out.
The one, the only charcoal bread. Gorgeous.
That's fast.
Okay, first taste test, the Haiji bun. Ooh. Look at that.
It's kind of sweet in the beginning.
It's like salty and sweet. It's so good. Next thing.
Oh wow.
Guys, this is so good. I left my camera in the hotel room, but I thought I would vlog on my phone, and we got drinks. We got Mexican meals.
Cheers.
We're sitting at these cute little fireplaces, but how gorgeous is the whole resort?
Toby, living your best life, Noby Lou.
I forgot he was here for a second.
Up close and personal, Nobu. This is the cutest, most wholesome thing I've ever seen. Lincoln got the root beer foil. That looks insane.
And we have Nobu's in-house menu coming. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say, mister? Thank you. Say thank you. You're the best.
It's a cute little restaurant.
I think I'm gonna do. There's still one left.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my, please.
Come here, Nobu.
Thanks, Bill.
And yeah, as well. You want it?
Happy 4th, everyone.
Happy birthday, America.
Little outfit of the night. Dresses by Love Shack Fancy.
Yeah,
shoes are Tony Bianco.
Yeah.
And that's the fit. The 4th of July fit.
Yeah. You want a cheeseburger?
Burger. Poor Nope, I just got bit. Poor baby.
Good girl. How long have you had it? I hope that you like this, but you probably No dogs allowed. This is a serenity. You're welcome, Shy Guy. This is for you. Strawberry rhubarb. We're gonna crush this.
What are you doing?
She's dancing.
I fully just realized that Blake is twinning with my dad.
First fireworks show.
Oh no, but did you make new friends?
Nice. Oh, you want s'mores too?
Good job.